Summer sun warmed the meadow. A grasshopper chirped happily, playing his fiddle all day long. Nearby, a busy ant labored, carrying heavy grains of corn to his cozy underground home. The grasshopper laughed. "Why work so hard? There is plenty of food here to eat." The ant wiped his brow and replied, "I'm storing food for the coming winter months." The grasshopper shook his head and continued to sing, ignoring the ant's wise, steady advice. Soon, the golden sun faded. Cold winds began to blow, and snow covered the green fields. The grasshopper shivered, finding no food anywhere. He was hungry and had no warm shelter. He remembered the ant and knocked weakly on the door of the ant's warm home. The ant opened the door, seeing the cold, shivering grasshopper standing in the deep snow. The ant shared his food and invited the grasshopper inside to escape the bitter frost. The grasshopper realized his mistake. He learned that it is best to prepare for tomorrow. From that day on, the grasshopper worked hard, knowing that diligence brings true comfort and peace.